We finally did it! Woo! Look at that thing. It's magnificent.
Lift it slow, watch the straps. Hold it steady, bring it down easy now. All right, secure. The alignment looks correct based on the schematic. Excellent. The precision on this fuselage is critical.
Gentlemen, engineers, I present the culmination of our efforts.
It's stunning. The craftsmanship is unbelievable.
Truly a masterpiece.
Strap tension looks good on the port side.
Confirmed. Double check the starboard mounts before we finalize the manifest.
The finish on this fuselage is absolutely flawless. Yep. It's the finest work this workshop has ever produced.
हमने कर दिखाया। ये देखो, वो जा रहा है। मिशन सफल रहा।
हमारी इस मेहनत के लिए लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और कमेंट लाजमी करना।